Hi Virtual Wildwood, hope you all had a great March break. Welcome back to our new online digital spelling class. I'm excited to be learning along with you guys. I know it will be a bit of a change, but we're all working in this together, and I'm here to help support you through this. So let's get started for today with today's lesson. So ahead of me, I have my manual for spelling. So our spelling class is going to look exactly the same. Plus, we have opportunities to earn lots of tickets. You know, in my class, I love giving out lots of tickets. So in today's lesson, we're going to be looking at lesson 58. In the email in which this video is linked, I have scanned all of the lessons. So I will provide 1 or 2 lessons per day. So if you can, please follow along while with this video. If you can't, then just listen and we'll continue on. So we're looking at part A for lesson 58. Right, we're gonna write 12 words. I think I'll give you guys 10 bonus tickets per word that we can spell correctly. So let's see how well we can do. So word 1 is the word far. What word? Nice job, so write it down. Word 2 is the word be. What word? Nice work. Word 3 is the word run. Run. What word? Nice job, let's write it down. Word 4 is the word bud. Bud. What word? Nice work. Word 5, so write it down. Word 5 is the word at. What word? Let's please write that down. Word 6 is the word him. What word? Right, write that down, please. Word 7 is the word mark. What word? Right, write that down, please. Word 8 is the word can. Can. What word? Nice job, so write that down. Word 9 is the word not. You cannot. So not. So write that down, please. Word 10 is the word smash. Remember, let's try to sound out this word. Sh. Remember, what 2 letters make a sh sound? So let's write that down. Word 11 is the word last. What word? Great job. Let's write that down. And word number 12 is the word then. What word? Nice. So he is more than. Alrighty. Let's see how well we did. Remember, each word you spell correctly is worth 10 bonus tickets. So word 1 was the word far. So let's sound that out. Right. Far. F-A-R. Word 2 is the word be. So let's sound that out. Help me out. B-E. So how do we spell it? Nice work, right? B-E. Word number 3 was the word run. Let's sound it out. So what letters make up that word? R, U, N. Great job, right? So far we have be, far, be, and run. Word number 4 was the word bud. How do we spell bud? B, B, U, D. Word number 5 was the word at. Right? Is the letter A, and T is the letter T. So at is spelled A-T. Word number 6 was the word him. H-I-M. Right? So we have the word him. Word number 7 is the word mark. Guys, what sound does a pirate make? R. And what two letters make up that sound? A-R, right? So M, R, K, M, R, A-R, K, K. Word number 8 is the word can. How do we spell can? Right, C-A-N. So we're almost there, guys. We have a few more words. Word number 9 was the word not. Right, N-A-T. Right, let's sound it out. N-O-T. Word number 10 was the word smash. Right? S. Right? The letter S. M. M. A. And then what two letters make a sh sound? Right? S-H. So smash is spelled S-M-A-S-H. Word number 11 is the word last. Right? L-A-S-T. And our last word was the word then. What two letters make a th? Right? T-H-A-N. Beautiful. So here is the list of the 12 words, guys. If you spelled them all correctly, you get 120 bonus tickets. For each word you spelled correctly was 10 points. So great job, guys. And we're going to move on to part B. So let's look at part B on the worksheet. You're going to write sentences made up of words you already know how to spell. So we have to write 3 sentences. Sentence 1 says, "The fat hog bit the man." So once again, repeat the sentence. The fat hog bit the man. So what's the sentence? Great job, right? The fat hog bit the man. So let's see, how do we spell that? Let me erase this here, guys. So sentence number 1, we're on part B of lesson 58. It says, "The fat hog bit the man." So how do we spell the first word? The. Right? T-H-E. I need to have a capital T because it's at the beginning of my sentence. Fat. How do we spell fat? Great job, right? F-A-T. F-A-T. The next word is going to be hog. What word? Right? Hog. How do we spell hog? Right? H-O-G. How do we spell the next word is bit? How do we spell it? Right? B-I-T. B-I-T. The next word is the. How do we spell the? Right? T-H-E. And our last word is going to be man. Let's sound that out. M-A-N. Right? M-A-N. And at the end of my sentence, I need a period. So our first sentence, guys, is the fat hog bit the man. Now I want you guys to try to write the next 2 sentences on your own. So sentence number 2 is going to be, sorry, let me find it. There it is. the next sentence for number 2 of part B is 5 tops will spin. So what's the sentence? Right. 5 tops will spin. So let's start with the word 5. Let's sound it out. F, I, v. Remember when we look at the v sound, what 2 letters make the v? Right? V and E. So 5 is F, I, V, E. The next word is tops. What word? Right? So let's spell that. T, P, S. The next sentence, or the next word is will. How do we spell that? Right. W, I, L, L. And the last word in the sentence is spin. What word? Right. How do we spell it? S, P, N. Right. So just like that. Sentence number 2 is 5 tops will spin. The third sentence is going to be, she had fun on the farm. So what's the sentence? Right? So let's say that again. She had fun on the farm. So I want you guys, for 20 bonus tickets, to try to write that sentence out on your own. You can pause the video to write that out, and then I will meet you in part C. So once again, the sentence is, she had fun on the farm. So welcome back, guys. We're going to do part C. In part C, it's a matching exercise. So if you can't print the worksheet, you can just write out all of the words on the side and then match them with the other words. So I'll give you the example. Right? So we have the words friend, seeing, spill, bill, wish, and smash on the left. And then we have some empty boxes with some letters on the right. So what we're first going to have to do is fill in the correct words on the right side. Once we've filled in all of the missing letters, then we're going to try to match them with the words on the left. So if you would like, you can pause the video now and you can work on this on your own. And I will see you guys. We'll do a little bit of lesson 59 as well. Alrighty guys, so welcome to lesson 59. So once again, great job on part C of the matching exercise. And for part lesson 59, all I want to work on for today is parts A and B. And then I'll have a little task for you guys to earn 100 bonus tickets. So once again, we're looking at lesson 59, part A. So I'll read what it says. I'll read the instructions. For part A, once again, it says you're going to write sentences made up of words you already know how to spell. Sentence number 1 in part A of lesson 59 is going to be the sentence, are you going to the barn? So what's the sentence? Great job, right? So let's break that down. Word 1 is the word are. What word? Nice. Word 2 is you. What word? Great job. Word 3 is the word going. What word? Word 4 is to. What word? Word 5 is the. What word? And the last word is barn. What word? Great job. So let's write that in. R, A, R, E, U, right? Y, U, Y, O, U, going, right? Go. And then it has the ending ing. What 3 letters make up ing? right? I-N-G. To, right? T-O. The, remember, that sound, T-H, and then E. And the last word is barn. It has our favorite pirate sound, R, right? B-R-N. So it'll be B-B-R-A-R-N. And this is going to be a question, so we're going to just add a question mark to the end. So for lesson 59, part A, our first sentence is, are you going to the barn? And sentence number 2 is going to be, we have read part of the book. So what's the sentence? Right, so repeat again. We have read part of the book. So let's look at the first word. We, w is the W sound. W-E. Have, H, A, V. The two letters that make up V are, great job, V-E. Read, not the color red, but to read. We have read, R-E-A-D. So far we have read part of that book. So part has once again our favorite pirate sound. What letter makes the p sound? Right? P-R-A-R-T-T. Of. It sounds like a V-E at the end, but it's an F, so it'll be O-F. That, right? Is the T-H-A-T-T. And book, right? B-O-O-N-K. Just like that. So for part A of lesson 59, the first sentence was, are you going to the barn? And for sentence 2, it is, we have read part of that book. Now let's look at part B. Part B, let me find it. So for part B on your book, I'm going to dictate 12 words, and then I want you guys to write them in any of the blank spaces that you would like. If you do not have the worksheet, you can just write them out on a blank piece of paper. Are we ready to spell these words? So word number 1 will be the word be. What word? Right, be. So write that anywhere you'd like on those boxes. Word 2 is going to be the word sharp. What word? Right, sharp. So write that anywhere you would like on the box. Sharp. Word number 3 is going to be the word marking. What word? Right, marking. Remember, it has the ing at the end. That's our ing ending. And then the first part is m-r-k. Right, so it's M-A-R-K-I-N-G. The next word is going to be the word bit. What word? Right, so how do we spell it? Write that down. See how we do at the very end, guys. Each word we spell right will be worth 10 bonus points. And if we spell all of them right, I'll give you an additional 30 bonus points. The next word is going to be the word pigs. What word? Right, pigs. Write that anywhere you would like. Remember, listen to the ending. It has an s, pigs. right? So we need to have that S. The next word is going to be the word dash. So let's write that down. D, A, sh. Remember what letters make a sh sound? Our next word is going to be the word gas. What word? Right, gas. So let's write that down. Our next word is going to be the word mat. What word? Right, mat. Let's write that down. Our next word is going to be the word dig. What word? Right, dig. D, I, G. Our next word is going to be the word calling. What word? Right, calling. K, A, L, L, ing. We have just a few more words left, guys. Our next word is going to be the word bud. So we've already seen this word earlier in the lesson, bud. So let's write that down. Our next word is going to be the word hands. What word? Hands. So let's write that down. The next word is going to be the word rat. What word? Rat. R-at. Our next word is going to be the word and. What word? Right? And. Let's write that down. Our next word is going to be the word spin. What word? Right? Spin. So let's write that down. And our last word is going to be the word then. What word? Then. Which we've also already seen earlier in today's lesson. So here are all of the words that we had to spell for today for that part. Right? So let's try writing them out and spelling them together. For each word that you spelled incorrectly, I would like you to write it out 3 times. So once again, you're going to help me spell these 16 words, and then that'll be the end of our lesson for today. So word 1 was the word be. What word? Right, be. B-E. Word 2 was the word sharp. How did we spell sharp? Right, S-H-A-R-P. Our third word was the word marking. What word? And how did we spell it? Right, M-A-R-K-I-N-G. Great job. Our next word was the word bit. What word? Right, and how did we spell that? Nice job. Word number 5 was the word pigs. How did we spell that? Right, P-I-G-S. The next word was the word dash. How did we spell that? Let's sound it out. D-A-Sh. Right? S-H. The next word was the word gas. G-A-S. Right? G-A-S. The next one was the word mat. M-A-T. The next one was the word dig. D-I-G. So far we have be, sharp, marking, bit, pigs, dash, gas, mat, and dig. The next word is going to be calling. C-A-L-L-I-N-G. Then we had the word bud, B-U-D. Then we had the word hands, which was H-A-N-D-S. Great job. Then we had rat, right? R-A-T-T. Then we had the word and, which was A-N-D. And our last, or we have two more, we had the word spin, S-P-I-N. And then we had the word then, right? T-H-A-N. So these are all of the words we had to spell for part B. So great job, guys. For each word you spelled correctly, you get 10 bonus tickets. If you spelled them all correctly, I'll give you an additional 50 bonus tickets. And all I'd like you to do is each word that we spelled incorrectly, please just write it out 3 times. Thank you, and I can't wait to see you guys for our next lesson on Wednesday. See ya!